If you lose your iPhone, Find My iPhone can help you locate it. And if you're unable to track it down, Remote Wipe can help keep your personal information private. Start in your iPhone's settings by making sure Push is turned on. Then tap here to see your MobileMe account settings and turn on Find My iPhone. If you lose your iPhone, just log into your MobileMe account at me.com, go to the Account tab, and choose Find My iPhone. If your iPhone is connected to an Edge or 3G network, a blue circle will show its estimated location on the map within minutes. A smaller circle means a more precise location. Find My iPhone will also display a message on your iPhone's screen and play a sound. Just write your message, check the box to play a sound, and hit Send. The message will display even if the screen is locked, and the sound will play even if the iPhone is in silent mode. If you can't find your iPhone or you think it's been stolen, use Remote Wipe to permanently erase all the information on your iPhone. Simply click Remote Wipe, confirm your decision, and click the Erase All Data button. You'll receive a confirmation email stating the Remote Wipe has begun. And your iPhone will begin the process of resetting to factory default settings, erasing all of your personal data from your iPhone. Since iTunes backs up your iPhone, if you eventually find it, just connect it to your computer to restore it to your most recent backup. And MobileMe will send all your email, contacts, and calendars from the cloud back to your iPhone.